for a book them for book me for a show. Enough time. Say Dr. Love, they ask him much of people who are booking for a show. White House people. Plus the type of Buckingham Palace. I want to check say, but think normal, a chicken people, I want to believe a chicken parts. Ask Taylor Rice me deal with. I want to check say. Yo. That's what I'm telling the people. You have your friends in the high places, you know. Because see, if you type, just follow me and come sign up. This would have been now. People call it my Nostradamus moment. But they see it happen. You see it happen. It's a foot hype. The savior already from the Jamaican part, you know. But them boy gonna grab in America, you know. So come sign up, you know. Come sign up. Oh, I want to hear Louis. I'm being in foot hype. My ancestors don't protect me, I say foot hype. Ancestors them not gonna protect me right now, you know. Who get deported years ago? I would have up with that. Me get deported years ago. Hey, I would yo, I'm not trying to get on my there. Who get deported? The brighty? Who get deported? I mean, I really want to go to America, people. Why should I run going to America when I don't make money at Jamaica already? Why should I run into America when I don't make money at Jamaica already? People, when I am coming into America, it have to be a book them for book me for a show. Enough time. Say Dr. Love, they ask him much of people who are booking for a show in America. But some look at $3,000 when they come to about LA. And some look at $4,000. I say, who they ramp with? They ramp with me. Anytime you come in America, if it's $20,000 or $15,000 at least, I ain't moving. Why should I come into America for some look at $3,000? Like say, I mean them alkaline and them look like to say, you're mad. People, I'm not glad to come in America. I'm running a business in Jamaica. See that? 70-inch. Yeah. So if you're in America and have 70-inch, see that? 70-inch that too. And put some look at 60-inch in a fair room I watch. I want you, don't ramp with me. When they come at Chile in America, they see the big 70-inch jump on the wall. Don't ramp with me. Yeah. See that? Samsung washing machine. Don't ramp with me. I want to ramp with. See that? Big Samsung washing machine. Yeah. Ask anybody in America about one of them there. And them are the top brand too. 2018 them there. I'm not really ready for coffee 2019 one because 2020 don't come out yet. Don't ramp with me. See it here? American jeweler people. And I'm free me get it. Yes, sponsor. So why should I come into America if me not get big money? The least me travel for people is $20,000. If I get $20,000 for a show, the least are $17,000 or $15,000. I ain't moving. I don't make money already at Jamaica. So I don't know get deported. I mean, I want to come to America because I not come to America for the chicken feeding. Yeah, but me get deported from America. All on them bright. You know, some come people, you know, some got egg that TV. Me just got done. I feel hurted. I would have about get deported from America. You know, so the bright that face out of that. You know, so the bright that face out of that. Big 7-star get deported from America. People, you know, so this never try this. Style never try style 7-star journal. Me can get deported from America. Anybody for deport out of America about it. I just ain't coming in. People, if I have a good show now, what the check for Tanta Blacks and look boy there, what can just get 3,000 Jamaican dollar, 2,000 US dollar, I'm road coming to America, come jump up and come walk. Yo, don't ramp with me. A Chile they record young bosses, people. When you look, if I tell you, say, $100,000 may come to America for, but you know, say inflation, the at all high times, and Donald Trump say try for fix my things in America, I say 20,000 I put it. Yeah. The least me move for half a Jamaican style people. If it's at $20,000, the least I'm not moving. And if it's an outdoor show people, it have to be $50,000. But if it's a club show people, you know, you do have to take in at the club. You understand? I can't charge a local, you know the club in some big. Maybe charge a local 20,000 or local 15 or local 17,000 the least. It depends. I wish they would want to come over there. But if it's an outdoor show, 50,000 up. Yeah, don't ramp with me. Anything outdoor people, 50,000 up. Don't run with me. Me get the port for work, I don't know bright teeth. I that don't take off of people. Big 7-star general, I don't check so. You know, someone wants to believe a Tanta Black sister for yourself. I told them I tried, I don't come boy there. You know, sir. I remember some me say England. Yeah, tell them how we say England. UK to the world. On paper. With the Queen Black Grand Prix to get deported from America. They must be mad. And that means a British pound, sterling, broadleaf, broadback. Don't ramp with me. Gold bar. When you say my Muslim sexy. I pay a pound my lift. Don't ramp with me. No, people, that's what I tell you, say. I'm the champion. People just pay me for to come up here. See that? Just pay me come up here. People pay me for come DJ. People pay LLOs to come host. People pay LLOs for just come muggle, stand up, serve. Same thing like when they pay me for go to a Sunfest one day. They just pay me for come in at the VIP segment of Sunfest. And people that was 300,000 Jamaican dollar. Don't ramp with me. 300,000 let me get just to come at Sunfest. For come just appear, hotel and everything pay for. Don't ramp with me. My hat. And just round the corner of that. So me if you go jump in a plane and come, yo, I would ramp with. Call Dr. Love and ask him how much years now them want me and Dr. Love for face off in Miami. Them call and say, Elenos, why you and Dr. Love for come ram up. I'm going to tell them, say, listen me. If you want me and Dr. Love for war in America, it have to be $40,000 or up. Them can't find the money. Yeah. See, I know that. The last of them said, them want me and Dr. Love and Noah for square off. I'm going to say, Noah, listen me. I don't mind for come entertain the people in America, but I pay a broke pocket promoter most on their liquid. Oh, the broke pocket promoter people anytime you see me in America, it's a rich badness promoter. Me now, me come America for some broke pocket promoter. Nothing about thinking broke pocket promoter there. I want to ramp with VIP to 107 general. I want to do now. Me a rich badness. Chill on your record, young boss. Nothing broke pocket promoter can call me in Jamaica. Can call me in America. What deporter? I want to ramp with. Tell them just pay attention, man. Them talking to the Dan. Yeah, man, I know myself work, man. I want to do it, man. See the people, the ringer alone. Check how much of them ringer. You believe that some ring where some stone drop out, like some fake ring or some boy wear. Don't ramp with me. And see it, 100% gathering, people. See it, original gathering. Yeah. 3,800 US dollars at least for the gathering. I want to ramp with 10,000 pounds. Talk to me. Yeah. Yeah, man, tell them talk up to me. They're ramp with me. Yeah. Yeah, man, people. Share the show and like the show, man. And remember, press the notification bell. Because nothing come over the show. When I just come and watch all people show, so I will not press a subscribe and the notification bell. Yeah. But deport. Big bad LLOs deport. I don't see nobody in America for to deport me. Yo, people, a matter of fact. Tell them to just put on an event in America and see when time run come over that. Which eyes can come all up on me? Must be mad. Hold up on me. At first, when I hear a gear run out of America, I don't know where they run going on, but they have to run out of America. Ramp with hell loose in America. That's mad. Until the gear them could come on my show, come watch it and sit down and behave themselves. Yeah, I'm going to entertain them. No trouble can go on my show. Who ice away pan? You must any ice on me book in America will come and melt that to get melt. I would have ramp with. Any ice I must ice the fridge. I would have ramp with. It's mad and no mad. Sexy Jamaican piano no boy there. Yeah man, people, I eat that thing them go out, man. Yeah man. Big up the regionalistic girls them all over the world. All the girls them are queen. New name for regionalistic. Yes, so they're going to new word for 2020. Regionalistic. All of the ladies them who are queen and goddess. New name